Hey there, keto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you a review of the Keto Bread Pasta Pizza collection. If you've ever been on a ketogenic diet, you know the struggle of giving up traditional comfort foods like bread, pasta, and pizza. But fear not, because this collection might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly revisit the basics of the ketogenic diet. It's all about reducing carbs, increasing healthy fats, and moderate protein intake, putting your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. And that's where this collection comes in to save the day. So here it is, the Keto Bread Pasta Pizza collection. 3 delicious alternatives that promise to satisfy your cravings while keeping you on track with your dietary goals. First up, we have Keto Bread. This is a revelation for those of us who miss the fluffy, comforting taste of traditional bread. It's low in carbs, high in fiber, and packed with healthy fats. Each slice is a delight, whether toasted with butter or used as a base for sandwiches. Next in the collection is Keto Pasta. Made from innovative, keto-friendly ingredients like almond flour or konjac noodles, it promises to retain the satisfying texture of traditional pasta while being low in carbs. Perfect for classic Italian dishes and more. Finally, we have Keto Pizza. This is the one that excites me the most. It brings the beloved comfort food back to our keto table. With a crispy, cheese-infused crust and various low-carb toppings, it's pizza without the guilt. Now, let's talk about why the Keto Bread Pasta Pizza collection stands out. The creators understand that the taste and texture are paramount. Each product is crafted to resemble traditional favorites while remaining keto-friendly. These products aren't just low in carbs, they're also high in essential nutrients, making them a well-rounded addition to your ketogenic lifestyle. Preparing keto-friendly bread, pasta, or pizza from scratch can be time-consuming. With this collection, you can enjoy these dishes without the hassle. No more getting bored with your keto meals. The Keto Bread Pasta Pizza collection offers a wide variety of options, keeping your keto journey exciting. You can trust that the ingredients used in this collection are carefully chosen to align with your keto goals and support your overall well-being. In conclusion, the Keto Bread Pasta Pizza collection is a fantastic addition to the world of ketogenic dieting. It allows you to indulge in your favorite comfort foods while staying true to your nutritional goals. Say goodbye to carb-induced guilt and hello to a world of keto-friendly deliciousness. If you've tried these products before, share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're intrigued, I've left a link in the description where you can get your hands on the Keto Bread Pasta Pizza collection. Give it a shot and let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more keto goodness. Until next time, stay keto and stay healthy. See you in the next video.